My first visit with Dr. Palmer was just a consult that my husband took me to, holding my hand because I was so afraid. Dr. Palmer sat at his desk and just asked me a few simple questions, and I'll never forget, he said, "Do you brush your teeth? Do you take care of them?" And it's like, yes, I do. And then he smiled and he said, "It's a genetic problem, Lisa." He said, "It isn't that you haven't taken care of your teeth." And it made me feel so much better because I had so much shame all my life because of the cavities and the crookedness. I had went to an orthodontist with my children to be evaluated for the crooked teeth. And I'll never forget, she did an x-ray and she looked at it and she looked at it and she says, "Well, you even have an abscess going on here now." And it made me feel very small and very, very ashamed at the time, and like I did something. And Dr. Palmer was very accepting and just said right then it was genetics, not something that I had done. And he told me exactly what our plan would be. We'd do a consult that day and we'd take it one day at a time. So that's exactly what we did. So he had mentioned to me earlier while he was filling my cavities if I had ever thought of Invisalign because of the crookedness in my severe overbite. And I never thought I would have that fixed just because of the past experiences and that. And he said, think about it. He said it's an option and we could probably fix it in close to a year. He explained how I would wear the trays and change them out every 2 weeks. And it wouldn't be that bad. And by that point, I was very comfortable with Dr. Palmer and his staff. I was very comfortable with going there every week or two. If you're afraid of the dentist or if you have some complicated problems, I really encourage you to talk to Dr. Palmer, talk to his staff. It's changed my life. I feel so much better about myself. I do not feel ashamed about my teeth anymore. They do not hurt anymore. And I have a better quality of life. I'm proud of my teeth. I get compliments all the time on my pretty teeth. I pass out his cards because I'm proud of him. And I always tell him I'm his #1 fan. So thank you, Dr. Palmer, for everything you've done for me, and I encourage everybody to go to him.